you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold, happy to have you guys here. If you are a first timer to the channel, then I want to welcome you guys here. We are talking about the Strat. We are talking about top 5 plays for Monday, April 18th. If you haven't subscribed below, you can do that down below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. That bell gives you notifications for when I send out daily videos just like this one, our top 5. We also send out full watch lists. We send out a bunch of learning tools, how to play the 30 and 30, what the candlestick numbers mean for the Strat, entries and exits, 3-1 setups, all kinds of other stuff, motivational videos, informational videos. So subscribe down below to follow all that information. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. So let's get to the top 5, guys. A bunch of these are on the main watch list already, but let's rip through these and we can see what we got. So Neo is the first one. Neo has a outside bar followed by an inside bar, so a 3-1 setup, and we're looking for the next 2. So are we going 2 up or 2 down? Well, if we go 2 up, we can take calls at $20.40 or puts and go short at $19.52. Do not short a stock unless you know exactly how to do that. It's too risky otherwise. I'm not telling you guys to do that, and I never will. But that's the calls and the put option plays or common shares if it goes to the upside. This pink line here is our first target. There is a green line there also, but the pink line is also the trigger for the weekly. So if we go to the weekly, we had a 2-3-2. Okay, so now we're going to a 3-2-2 or a 2-2. We're looking for a 2-2 reversal. We're looking for this to go back to the upside, okay? And I will probably have a weekly swing play video out for you guys as well to take a look at. So let's go back to the daily. That is our chart. And again, our targets are here, here, here. We just take the tops of the preceding wicks. And if we go down, we're taking the bottoms of the preceding wicks. Lots of magnitude, lots of room for this thing to go on Monday, okay? Next one up is SPY. SPY has another rare pattern, an inside bar followed by an outside bar. We can take calls at 444.73, puts at 437.69. And I'll go through a couple of things here. Trader Tammy asked me about. One of them was how do I go through the stocks that I pick on the day of. So I'm basically just skimming through the 3 or 5 plays that I gave you in the top 5 list, and I'm just watching for a break of the high or the low. And if you want, let's say SPY breaks to the high side, or you put these alerts in, okay? And we just say crossing up, and what I did there was I right-clicked, okay? Right-clicked and I add the alert. So now this alert comes on this orange dotted line, and if we hit it, then you can switch over to the SPY list. I don't trade with 6 screens. I trade with a laptop and an iPad, realistically, guys. So trading views on my iPad and my Quest Trade brokerage is on my laptop. I do have trading view on my laptop as well that I kind of switch back and forth, but just put these little alerts in, okay? And when they go off, you can switch to that ticker, and if you want to jump into the play, when it triggers, jump into the play, okay? And when we're looking at strike prices, well, if Spider S&P 500 triggers at 444.73, my strike price is 445, and I'm taking the next closest expiry date. So for SPY, it'll be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I believe I heard that they were adding in Tuesdays and Thursdays as well. So keep an eye open for that. But that's our play for SPY. AMD, and again, all three of these plays I've given you so far, they're very liquid. The bid ask is small, so we're in and out, and we don't have 5, 10, 15 cent spreads between the bid and the ask. Okay, so another 1-3 setup on AMD. We can take calls at 98.43, puts at 92.83, and then our targets are just the preceding wicks, okay, to the bottom side or to the upside here. And we do have one at the bottom of this candle, and I've explained it before. The only time on a call option where we would have this target on the bottom is when we have a gap. Okay, so we have a gap there that needs to be filled. Next up is DocuSign, DOCU. And guys, if you find the information helpful, please give me a thumbs up to help out with the algorithms, and I can help to get this information out to more people. DocuSign has a double inside bar, so it's showing consolidation over 2 days. We didn't break the high or the low of the previous candle for 2 straight days. So we are double spring loaded, getting ready to explode to one side or the other. We can take calls on this one at 104.99 or puts at 99.19. The time frame is to the downside outside of this day in the week. We won't know what that actually is until Monday, okay? So double inside bar on DocuSign. Play number 5 is ATVI. That's Activision. Activision has a 3-1 setup. Super, super powerful. The last time we had one, we have to go back to, looks like December 21st. And what happened on December 21st? We are out, man. December 21st. Sorry, guys, I just got to find this here. Let's do this. There we go, way down here. December 21st. Outside bar, inside bar, and look. From 58.26 all the way down to 57.11. We hit one target and 2 targets, okay? So 2 targets on Activision. 3 ones are very, very powerful. I have a video for it. It'll be somewhere up on this top right corner here that you guys can go take a look at that. But for Monday, 3-1 setup, calls at 79.17, puts at 78.14 on Activision. I'm going to give you one more play here, guys. Bonus play in Moderna. Moderna has a 3-1 setup as well. Okay, so again, a super powerful pattern. We can take calls at 170.84, puts at 164. Move this up a bit, 164.87. Okay, and then our target to the upside is our first target is the trigger for the weekly. Okay, so pay attention to Moderna. Guys, that's a video. Good luck on Monday when we open up. I hope you guys are green Monday and for the week, for the month. That's all I want for you guys, is just to be green and to become better traders. And hopefully the videos help you guys out. And again, until the next one, guys, bye-bye.